This is a son of a bitchin' hog here. At least he's not running downstream, huh? Hopefully I didn't just jinx you. Don't get me. Oh. That's a pig there. That's why we came here.
Rick, I'm gonna need you to row, man. I gotta pull this anchor up. You videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to pull up the anchor or row?
Yeah, I need you to row and pull up the anchor.
You got it?
Holy crap.
You want me just to go straight on down?
Yeah.
I wish we had a fucking net, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to go to shore actually, Rick. If you
Okay.
Yeah, that's a shore-bound son of a bitch there. Yeah.
Just go.
How about right in this eddy right here?
Yeah, perfect. That's 4 or 5 pounds.
Easy. That might be a 5-pounder. Biggest one so far.
Come with us, dude.
Yeah, we might pull a little bit when we get in this deal.
Just gonna pull him in, Cal.
Yeah.
Oh, and he brought the moss with him.
That's a fucking hog.
Huge.
Oh, my arm's getting tired. Wow.
Yeah, that's like fishing the West shit. We're in Brazil.
Holy crap, that's a big fish.
That is huge.
Wow. 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 Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes. That's an 8-pound rig right there, man.
That's a big rig.